Alright guys, welcome. Today we'll be learning how to make a simple e-flyer. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first we're going to do is we are searching for free pick, right? Yeah, we're searching for free pick, and then you click on search for looking at phone, and you see many results, right? Just pick one. So we go with this guy on yellow. Now we can download this image, but when you download it directly from here, it's going to be the size is going to be big, right? So just download it directly from the website. So click on it, right? So I'm going to be on clicking on it, and then we download the image. You understand? So the size, you understand? The size will be smaller, so we'll be able to remove the background. You get it now? That's how we're doing that. So we are at erase.bg, right? It's a site so you can remove background, you can remove watermark and all of that. So we just remove the background here, right? Now we're done with that, so let's go to Canva. It's Canva. We're choosing the 1000 by 1080, right? 1080 by 1080, right? That's what we're using. So we click on it. Let's start. So the next thing we want to scroll to the far end, right? Bring that up, scroll to the far end of at the base, right? You click on apps, right, and then you choose photos. That way we're getting our background from, right? So I'm searching for dark background. I'll be clicking the first one. Yeah, that's the one we're using. The first one. So set as image, right? That one I cycled so that it covers the whole. So the next thing now will be importing our model that we downloaded. That's the next thing. Okay, so we're choosing festive, right? Festive is the color to start selling. So arrange it to make it easy to tap. You understand? You don't want to complicate it to the point that show start bringing all our elements. So the next thing we add in is our text. We click on text, add the heading, that's what we're choosing. Writing social and media. So we're increasing font size to 125. And then the fonts we're going to be using Grotsec, right? CY Grotsec. So you want to search for that font if it's not made by default available in your Canva, right? To change all of them, both the social and media will have the same type of font, right? To go to format to increase the size, right? All caps. That's what we use. You want to space it a little bit, right? The spacing to be 60. Now the social, you want to also make all of them all caps too. So it makes more sense like that. Right, you want to align them. So next we'll add in our arrow. So go to element, search for arrow, element, search for arrow. So we're scrolling down, there are lots of them, but the one we're using is down. So let's scroll down to go get it. Okay, so that's the one we're using. We'll use the size, then we'll change the color to white so it can be visible. So it's making more sense like this now. So We're making use of 3D icons. Yeah, we're making use of 3D icons. The love emoji we're going to be using, making use of 3D icons there, right? So in the description I left a link that you can go and get Canva Pro for free, right? You'll be joining the team, right? And you'll be using, when you join the team, you get access to Canva Pro free for teams, you understand? So you can make use of those icons there. Or better still, you can search them on Google, or you go to Flipic also, you can search them there, you can see the 3D icons, but it's better for you to just use them from here at Canva, right? So let's reduce that to 35. Make this, increase the spacing to the spacing between the letters. The size small, so after to arrange it so it be aligned, right? So next thing, right, see 3D love emoji. That's what you're searching for, right? Emoji is a whole different type of creation on Canva, right? And all of them are pro, right? So they are very very nice. They are very very nice. So this other love emoji, I actually added it earlier. So you want to just delete that, not be making use of it. Delete that. So our blur is what will just be increasing. Now, in this case, my saturation was increased, right? Brightness was increased. Sorry, so that's why I was like that. So every other thing is at zero, right? Only the blur, that's what you're increasing. Only the blur. The blur we're just leaving at 23. So duplicate, do the same for others. Increase the size and double it. Okay, it's making more sense now. So next thing we're signing for is followers. Followers, ED followers. So we can get, after getting our little love, right, that post added on the flyer, searching for followers next. I'll zoom on that and make it arrange. So this video is actually a bit long, right? One bear with us. Where you can get done with it faster, you can just increase the speed, right? Increase the speed to be better. So search for 3D followers and add it. So align that. Okay. I'm thinking to move it a bit to the left. Okay. So that's that. We'll be downloading it now. Click on the download icon at the top. Then we'll be going to the next stage, which is the final stage. Right? I do my own videos. I show you everything from how I got it done to how I finished it. So when you're doing yours, you can not be confused on where to start. You can learn to copy and paste. You can form your own ideas also. So you go to PicsArt. Right? You want to download the PicsArt, right? PicsArt. So what's in the image? Go to effects. That's the first one. Effects. So just click on the simple. That's the one we're using. Just that. See, it's changed already. So next thing we're going to is max. So we're using that splash. Now this splash is made available here because I already used it earlier. right? I'll be showing you how to get it right if you're just using Pixel app. This is your time for using PicsArt first. So you go to the marks again, you search at the down, look at the base there, right? See the holy, right? That's it. So you just click on it and then you choose. Because I don't want to be using this one now, right? You can edit that. You're using the first one, that's why I discarded it. So you save, and there you have it, your beautiful social media file. Let's look at it on our phone. See, very simple to make. You just do it in less than 11 minutes. Thank you so much.